Hello guys, welcome back to Gusudi Podcast. I'm your host. My name is Gusudi and today we are exploring a beautiful topic, how to enjoy life with nature. In a highly developed world, reconnecting with nature can bring you joy, peace, and a fresh perspective. So, how can we embrace nature in our daily life? Here are three simple yet powerful ways. Number one, get outside regularly. Whether it's walk in the park, hiking in the woods, or just sitting in your backyard, spending time outdoors can boost your mood and reduce stress. Try to make it a habit, maybe a morning walk or an evening stroll. Number two, practice mindfulness in nature. When you're outside, take a moment to breathe deeply and soak in your surrounding. Listen to the rustling leaf, feel the breeze, and observe the beauty around you. Mindfulness helps you appreciate the little things and promise a sense of tranquility. Number three, create a nature ritual. Incorporate nature into your routine. It could be as simple as having your morning coffee outside, tending to a garden, or planning monthly nature outings with friends or family. This ritual can enhance your connection to the nature world. Remember, nature is not just a backdrop, it's a vital part of our well being. By engaging with it, we can cultivate happiness and a sense of belonging. Thank you for joining me on this journey to enjoy life with nature. If you found this episode inspiring, don't forget to subscribe and share it with your friends. Until next time, go outside and embrace the beauty of the world around you. Okay? Bye bye.